Santa joke.
You got a what?
I tell the worst jokes. You want to hear a joke?
Yeah.
Why does Santa have 3 gardens?
I don't know why does Santa have 3 guys.
So he can hose them.
Thank you, good night.
Thank you.
Right then. Now listen, we need for you to be a one-take audience tonight. There are no rehearsals here. We're going to do the big switch up. We've got you people making a racket in here. We've got Bridge Street outside making a racket as well. Pieces in position, ready to rock and roll. So on the count of 10. Oh, thank you. I'm not with you. On the count of 10, Peter. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's at this point that we're going to say goodnight to our friends on Bridge Street. Wave goodnight to our friends on Bridge Street, you will please. But you guys stay there. All the people here in the Golden Square. Because you get that little bit of extraness. So ladies and gentlemen, I think it's time to bring the cast and crew back on stage if I'm not rightly mistaken. So let's get it for all our performing artists tonight as they make their way back onto the stage.